Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma Damayanti. Today, I would like to tell you about the material of today is about accounting. The first time, I will start about my presentation from understanding of accounting. Understanding of accounting in general and according to AAA. In general, accounting, the art of recording, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting data relating to financial transactions in a business or company. Practitioners in this field are called accountants. According to AAA, or American Accounting Association, accounting is process identifying, measuring, and reporting economic information that allows for quick judgment and decision-making and thus from tools who use the information. The next one is accounting figures. Luca Bartolomeo de Pacioli was among the mathematicians who was born in San Sepolcro, Tuscany, Italy in 1447. This figure is known as the father of accounting. Accounting book. Book title Summa de Arithmetica Geometrica Proportioni et Proportionalitas. Book subtitle Tractatus de Computis et Scriptorio. History of accounting in Indonesia. Accounting began to be known in Indonesia since the Dutch colonial era, known as the bookkeeping or continental system. In 1916, Indonesia began to be oriented to America with the Anglo-Saxon or American accounting system known as accounting. Accurate development, accounting used the IFRS standard, which aims at a guideline for recording and reporting accounting that is internationally applicable. So, what are the functions of accounting? Accounting science function. 1. Report record. Report notes systematically and chronologically. 2. Company benchmark. Accounting can be used to see the company's performance. 3. Abuse detection. Accounting knowledge can also be used to track, detect, and prevent misuse of funds and a company or business entity and government. For information system. Accounting is an information system in the form of accurate and reliable financial reports for decision makers. And the last, payment of tax. To calculate the amount of corporate tax, accounting knowledge is needed to prepare financial statements which are the basis for calculating taxes based on years and profit. types of accountants. 1. Public accountants. Public accountants are independent who can provide their service on a basis in certain payments. 2. Internal accountants. Internal accountants are accountants who work in companies which are usually also called corporate accountants. 3. Government accountants. Government accountants are accountants who work in government institutions. And the last 4, educator accountants. Educator accountants are teach staff in educational institutions and are tasked with developing accounting education, research, teaching, and preparing of accounting curriculum in higher education. Arts of specialization in accounting. 1. Financial accounting. 2. Budget accounting. 3. Cost accounting. 4. Management accounting. 4. Government accounting. 6. Tax accounting. Accountant professional ethics. Accountant professional ethics are ethics rules that must be applied by members of the Indonesian Institute of Public Accountants and professional staff working in one public accounting firm. And yes, integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, professional competence and sincerity, and professional behavior. Account group. Real account and nominal account. Real account assets, liabilities, and equities. Nominal account, income and expense. Asset classification. Current assets. Current asset is company assets that are used for less than 1 year. Cash, account receivable, not receivable, prepaid expense, supplies, and accrued revenue. 2. Fixed assets. Fixed assets are company assets that are used for a long time and vehicle, building, land, equipment, and machine. And 3. Intangible. It's a privilege owned by the company and has value but does not have a physical form. Yes, goodwill, patent, trademark, user right, and transaction. Liabilities classification. Current liabilities, account payable, expense payable, notes payable, tax payable, and salary payable. Long-term liabilities, bonds payable, mortgage payable, bank payable, and leasing. Equity classification. 1. Equity interest account, capital, and income. 2. Equity deduction account, withdrawals and expenses. Income classification, operating income and non-operating income. And load classification, operating expense and not operating expense. So I have a quote about accounting. Life is like accounting. Everything must be balanced. So thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.